So I had a situation where my door would not open from the inside or the outside of my Yukon Denali. And I was looking up on the internet and I was seeing all the different situations there could be. As you see right now, I had to take out my whole seat to figure out what the issue was. But I did finally figure it out. As you can see, I did end up taking this door apart as much as I could. I can't really get it out because it's kind of wedged up against the front. But I ended up getting behind my door latch and I pulled out this little piece and I was pulling on this. The door still wouldn't open. Okay. Then I was thinking maybe it was the lock mechanism that was causing the problem. I pulled up on there. I still couldn't get the door open. So then I took out the molding right here and I can look inside. Try to put some light down in there. And I can see the door mechanism down there. And I actually had reached my hand in this area. It was very hard to get to, but I had reached in here to this little groove and I could actually put my hand on the door mechanism. I was touching the switch and everything. I was moving up and down, still wouldn't release. I can feel my door latching outside. It was hooked. I was pulling. I tried holding up on this, the door lock. Still couldn't get it to open. I was trying all different things. And I was reading how one guy was saying how he used the backside of the vehicle and he had welded down, well, not necessarily welded, but shaved down the lock on the inside. It's hard to get to show you. But yeah, I took some stuff apart. But there's a part on the inside that the door connects to. But as you can see, it's this piece right here, but it'd be very difficult to get in here to shave those bolts down. It's a lot of door open. So I went back to playing with the door mechanism. And I see there's a whole bunch of screws in the front of it. So it's like maybe if I can try to take each one of those screws out and possibly take it apart and be able to reach inside. I even bought some things to stick inside the door, like crowbars to pump up air to see if I could force the door to come out. Like that wasn't working either. But it dawned on me on something else I could actually try. And it ended up working. And I'm going to show you what that was. Okay, before I can explain to you about why my door wouldn't open, I'm going to explain to you about the door lock itself. So, when your door is closed, this part right here gets pushed in. Okay? When that part's pushed in, that means your door is actually closed. When your door is open, that part pulls out. Okay? When your door is closed, that part is pushed in. Open, that is pushed out. So now I got my door in the closed position. When you pull your inside door handle, that cable that I was showing you earlier that was pointing down the outside of my door, but in between both my doors, that pulls this piece. When this piece gets pulled, you see the door open like that. Okay, door is closed. Pull the inside door handle. Door is open. Now, this piece right here. This piece attaches to the door lock on the inside. That little piece that you pull down and push up. When you push it down, it pushes this down. Your door is in the lock position. So, I'm gonna act like the door is closed. I'm gonna pull the inside handle. It did not open because the door is in the lock position. I'm gonna reach inside my car door, pull the little lock up, which will pull this up. Pull my inside door handle. Door is open. All right. So now I'm gonna close the door again. I'm gonna put the door in the lock position. Now we're gonna talk about the outside door handle, which is related to these two parts. Right now my door is closed and is in the lock position. I go to my outside door handle, I pull on it. My door is not gonna open because it's in the lock position. When you outside your door, you're gonna put your key in. You turn your key. It's gonna work this part. These two pieces are gonna work together. When you turn your key, you're gonna unlock your door. You see how this went up? And put it back in the lock position. You turn your key on the outside, pulls this up, puts this in the unlock position. Okay? At that point is when you go to your outside lever. When you pull your outside lever, this part right here is gonna go down. When it goes down, you're gonna see your door unlock. Well, open. Boom. Door just open because your outside door handle pushed this down. You can see that your outside door handle moves here just like this device. Also, it would move your outside door part. See them working together? It's the same piece right here. Again, door close, pull outside handle, door opens. All right, now let me explain to you why my door would not open. My door would not open because this right here was in this position. It was not fully reset. It was in this position. I guess somehow there's a little rod that comes down and sits in here. I guess this came out of position and it was stuck like right here. So now it was right in this position. I was pulling my outside door handle. It was just pushing a little bit further down, but it was not going back up. I was pulling my inside door handle. It was pulling, but my door was not open. The only way I got my door to open is when I detach this from that little lever that's coming on the outside door handle. It fully reset and went all the way back up. I came inside, I pulled my inside door handle, my door opened. So this could be another reason why your door would not open, because this might be out of position. For me, when it was in this position, I could not do anything to get inside my vehicle until I got this part loose. So, but just one more thing too. This is the electronic component. You'll see this. This is the first thing you see if you look down inside your window. This, when you hit your unlock button, it causes the mechanism to unlock because the electronic component's here. But again, my reason why my door would not open was because this was not fully reset. It was in this position. It's like it was holding everything from unlocking. So I'm hoping that this could help someone else, because there are a lot of solutions out there. None of them work for me, and I found out that this is my cause. So if none of those ones work, this could possibly be your issue also.